Hello, I'm Sunny. The word of today is 急. In this video, I will teach you how to pronounce it, how to write it, and how to use it. First, let's read together. 我们一起读。急 second time. 急 second time. Go up. 急 very good. Now let's write it. 我们一起写。横竖撇点撇，横折撇捺。急 means extremely. How we use it? We always use adjective plus 急了。For example, 累极了 it means very tired. It's the highest degree. Okay, so we say very good. 好极了 I'm very hungry. 我饿极了 So when adjective plus 极了 together, it means the highest degree. Okay, so if you like today's video, please like and share to your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.